Welcome to Polytuff's joint and crack-free waterproof deck coating system. We see an existing parking deck structure with many joints and cracks that has been hidden by the super seal tape. As the base coat's being applied, all the joints disappear. And now we're broadcasting sand into the base coat, continuing to hide joints, completely broadcast with sand. And when we are finished, 52,000 square feet of parking deck structure, a sea of glass, without any expansion joints whatsoever or cracks whatsoever visible in the deck, and thus never able to leak. In balconies, the same thing holds true, so we can have a completely joint-free and crack-free balcony. So if you're interested in our product line, in the Polytuff completely joint-free and crack-free system, call us at 866-977-8833 or check us out at polytuffus.com.